Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Christopher from Wolf's Web, and today we are going to be continuing my website. So we're going to get into the HTML. So I have remembered we are forgetting one thing, and that is a footer. So we're going to do this. Um, footer, and then we're going to do um, this. Copy Wolf's Web 2020. Okay, Control S. And then I just want to quickly get into the CSS, and we want to go back again, and then I want to go into gaming template quickly, and I wanted to go into the gaming template CSS nav plus footer. We're going to just copy that from here over to the Wolf's Web CSS. Cool. Now if we go into Wolf's Web and we go look, we will have our footer. Yeah, right there. Footer is right there. We are going to put some space in between the footer and the rest of the documents. So we're going to do BR and maybe just another BR just to be safe. Those are line breaks. And then we're going to refresh the page, and voila, we've got that. Now, where we left off was this part here. Now, if we go back to my site at the moment, we have that's it. Our profile. No, what are we on? So we've got two more things to do. We have Facebook, and then we have Google, and then we have additional services on offer. Now, there's one more additional thing we can add to web creation, and that's an additional cost. So if we go back here and we go to web design, sorry, it's now design, not creation, we're going to list another item, and this item is going to be an error page. So it's going to be 100 Rand for an error page. Error 404 page. So now that we got that, we've added that to the list. So if we go back into here, okay, sorry, that is okay. So as you can see, it has added it to the bottom here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the other two. So if we go back into here, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go one down, and we're going to create another div class row fluid, and then we're going to make span 5 on both. So we're going to go we can actually bring this back one. So we do this, this. So theoretically, this will be in line. So theoretically, if we do this, it should be inline. No, what is it inline? Road fluid. So we go down, 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 down. Okay, we're gonna have to put this here because we cannot, so it was in the right place. We cannot have it there. Okay, so we're gonna do, then we're gonna do div class span 5, and we're gonna have 2 of those, both with ordered lists. Div class span 5. Let's give it a break. So I'm going to do this. Give it a break. Cool. And then we're going to give it another ordered list. Okay. And then we're going to have list items. So how many items are there? There are 4. 4. So go li. We can copy that 4 times. Control C. 1, that's 2, 3, 4. Cool. And now if we come here, we copy this. Control C. Control V. Okay, so we just copied that, and there is how many here? 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7. So that's 4. That is 5. That is 6. That is 7. Okay, so actually, if we go back up here, I'm going back into here. We're going to say okay, so we're going to do minimum keywords 50, 25 Rand per 50 extra. Cool. Facebook business page creation. Okay, so we're gonna charge. I didn't put the amount, so I'm gonna put the amount as 300. Okay, because there is a lot of stuff that goes into that. So let's just check this quickly. Typesetting means you give me the information and I'll type it in. Target marketing to pages on Facebook to maximize exposure, meaning whichever area you're in, I'll target specific groups that is in your area, so it will maximize the coverage of your Facebook page. The Facebook page will be linked to your website. Also check page once a day. So I'll go on once a day on Facebook, check the page, and adverts once to twice a week if you want it. The cost for maintaining it is about, we'll get to that. It's on the cost pages. So additional services we offer is Google Analytics, which will have to be paid for separately. Connections to these pages will be paid separately. They're not included. They can be included if needs be. Adds WhatsApp add drops. You see that one there will be an additional cost. Add creation for Facebook page and WhatsApp. That won't be from me. That will be from a graphic designer if you want that. MailChimp. Okay. Terms and conditions creation. I know somebody who can make terms and conditions. That's why we've got that. And creations of disclaimers and or disclosures. Okay, cool. Now we have that. Now if we save this and we go into here, we reload the page, and voila, except we're missing something. We are missing the headings. Okay, we're going to need another break between here and there, so let's break. Cool. We come back into here, we do that, so that's 5, that's 5. I do not want borders around these, so okay guys, sorry, I was looking at the wrong thing, so we're going to go back here. We're going to give this an ID of AB. So if we go back to, let's get rid of this. Sorry, I had to check it up on what I did. So it is AB, yes, AB. Okay, so we do hashtag AB. I had the right thing. Border 3 pix solid white. Cool. So now what it will do is we'll take away the border but leave the text where it is. For it's supposed to. Oh, that's why. Sorry. Always got to check your code. There you go. So that's what it looks like without the border. Did the same with the down there. I actually did the down there first, the website stuff first. So I was like thinking to myself, what is going on? Why is the about us not even changing? So that is why, and I am happy with this, the way it looks now. So when we change the background color, we'll change the borders of this again to the color of the background. So we've got that and that now. So what's the next step on our agenda? We have our work. Okay. Now we're coming to one of my favorite things. So I'm gonna need a card. So just one card. So what I've done now is I've just quickly gotten the card set up. So we actually don't need this. Sorry, I had to. So now we got a blank card. So if we go into here, we go back into our site, we should indeed have a blank card. There we go. We're going to have to wrap this in a container as well. Div class container. Cool. And we're going to do Control X. and we're going to come down to here. Luckily we have a space here. Control V and tabulate. Cool. So this is now in a container. So if we Control S and we go into here again, reload the page. Okay, it's in a container. So we're gonna quickly so container, and this is gonna have an ID value of card. So this is gonna have an ID value of card. Sweet. We're gonna do another container because we still got one more thing to do, and that is our work. And now we can go into our container here. We can go to do another hashtag card border is this border, what is the border, what is 3 pixels solid white, and then we're gonna have a margin of 3%, and you'll see why now. So let's just go in here, go here. Sweet, cool. So I am going to put in another card. I'm gonna have 2 cards because I've got two things at the moment. We're gonna add a third card as well for when the other site goes live. Control C, Control V, but we won't put that in just yet. The reason why it says click me is because it will lead you directly to other pages, to the pages that I've done. Okay, so we go back here. No, wrong one. We go back here. We go like that. And it's underneath. Why are you underneath? Okay, guys, as you can see, we've now got 3 in. We're gonna, as soon as I get more work in, we're gonna add more. So this, the 3, we're gonna have the name of the website, a small description of the website, and a link that goes directly to the website. So yeah, we've got our work done now as well. All of this is coming together quite nicely. We still have, let's clean up some of this code. Sorry, I had to do some things and some things. So we still got PT. What is PT? Pricing and T's and C's, I think it is. PT, pricings and T's and C's, and the contact. So we are almost there with that, but we still got the text, the fonts to choose for the text, and the colors I've got right here by me. So yeah, we are on our way. Before we go, I just wanted to show you my new logo we designed last week. So yeah, this is my new logo. Please tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. But for now, I've run out of time for today. I'm actually a bit over time. But yeah, I've got some editing to do between now and tomorrow for this to actually go live on Wednesday. So from me, Christopher, I hope you guys have a good day. Over and out.